Mom, look, the tree fell on our house. There's a whole bunch of branches and leaves. Whoa, how bad could it possibly be inside? Okay, let's go inside and check it out. Whoa, Hurricane Maria wrecked our house. It even ruined my floor. I could see right through it. Look at the stairs. Now we gotta go climb all over the place to get to your room. We gotta move. We can't stay here any longer. Yeah, but before we do, turn around. Whoa, there are so many holes. I thought that was a lot of damage. We don't even have a roof anymore. So many holes. We can't even live here. Come on, let's go find a new home.
Where are you girls headed today?
To our new apartment in New York. Okay, Holly, this is gonna be our new home. I'm so glad we moved to New York. At least in New York, we have electricity. I know. They said that it'll take months or even years to get back electricity in Puerto Rico. I'm gonna go check out the bedrooms. I'm gonna go check out the kitchen. Oh, look at the kitchen. It's nice. Mom, I call this room. Whoa, look, I even have my own bathroom. This is so cool. Honey, I'm coming up. This is a lovely room. Home sweet home.